Top 12 natural and quick ways to stop snoring. Snoring disturbs sleeping patterns and deprives the snorer of much needed rest. When snoring is severe, it can cause serious, long-term health problems, including obstructive sleep apnea, not to mention disturbing the peace and quiet in the bedroom. In this video, I listed some of the best natural treatments to help with snoring problems. 1. Change your sleep posture. Snoring is particularly loud when you sleep on your back. Different pillows and strap-on devices will force you to sleep in the right position. 2. Don't nap in early evening. As much as possible, avoid napping in the afternoon or early evening. Try to take some exercise in the late afternoon or early evening. But make sure you are finished at least 3 hours before bedtime. 3. Weight loss. In order to stop snoring, go on a weight loss regimen if you are currently overweight. Fat is intruding on the available space for your air passages, and those narrower passages are causing you to snore. If you get rid of the fat, your passages will be able to open fully, and you can stop snoring. 4. Big food. To keep yourself from snoring, eat your largest meal of the day at least a few hours before bed. If you jump into bed with a full stomach, it will apply pressure to your diaphragm, pushing it up and narrowing your air passageways and making you snore. Take your meal earlier so you can digest your food and not snore. 5. Sleep on your side. Another way to stop snoring is to sleep on your side. Sleeping on your back instigates snoring, and sleeping on your stomach just hurts your neck. Sleeping on your side helps you rest peacefully, without having to worry about snoring as much. 6. Give singing a try. Singing is a natural form of exercise for the muscles in the throat and soft palate. Since snoring is sometimes caused by lax muscles in these areas, strengthening them can help. Therefore, go ahead and belt out your favorite tune every day. 7. Blow your nose. Try as much as possible to blow your nose well before you go to bed. Often snoring is caused by a gradual build-up of mucus in your nose. A stuffed-up nose typically causes you to open your mouth during your sleep in order to breathe. And when you breathe through your mouth, you snore. 8. Eat less sugary things. Eat less of sugary foods or overly rich foods. Desserts, in particular, aren't a good choice when you have a tendency to snore. Chocolates, cookies, cakes, and even ice cream are associated with snoring. So too are foods such as pizza, lasagna, and other high-calorie, high-fat, rich foods. 9. Keep your head elevated. Keep your head elevated with thick pillows when sleeping if you want to prevent snoring. Being in this position allows your muscles and airways to get in just the right amount of air, which reduces the chance that you will snore. 10. Don't take alcohol. Do not take alcohol or take any kind of sedative or relaxant, including antihistamines, for several hours before bedtime. Any of these things relaxes the muscles in your body relax. The blockage can cause snoring or make it worse than usual. 11. Drink tea. If you want to reduce your snoring, then try drinking tea before you go to bed. Tea, such as nettle, provides a soothing effect and also will reduce inflammations that are caused from allergies related to pollen, dust or dirt. Overall, herbal teas tend to have a calming and relaxing effect. 12. Diet and exercise. Studies have shown that obesity is one of the leading causes of snoring. If you are overweight, it may be time to consider a well-balanced diet and exercise regimen. This video is put together for informational purposes only. It should not be used as, or in place of, professional medical advice. Before beginning any treatment for snoring, please consult a doctor for a proper diagnosis and remedy. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please click the link below to subscribe.